The Chalukyas. The Chalukyas ruled a large part of the Deccan, the region between Krishna and Tungabhadra rivers. Their capital was Aihole, which was also an important trading center. The famous rulers of this dynasty were Pulakeshin I, who was the first independent ruler of Badami with Vadabi in Bijapur as his capital. Kirtivarman I, who succeeded Pulakeshin II, the grandson of Pulakeshin I. He was a contemporary of Harshavardhana and the most famous of the Chalukyan kings. He expanded his kingdom by annexing the entire Andhra kingdom. His reign is remembered as the greatest period in the history of Karnataka. He defeated Harshavardhana and the banks of river Narmada. Ravi Kriti was the court poet of Pulakeshin II who composed the Aihole inscription. This inscription gives a vivid account of the Chalukyan rule.